Hi friends, in this video we are going to see about a tree introduction. It has comes under first unit. In this topic we are going to see in detail about tree traversal also. So first we will see what is tree. Tree is a collection of nodes and it is stored in a hierarchical order. So tree traversal can be specified in three ways. One is in-order traversal, pre-order traversal and post-order traversal. So visiting the nodes in a tree only once. So this visiting will be called as traversal. So we have to visit all the nodes in the tree. That can be done in three ways. So these are the three types of traversals. So before entering into this particular topic, first we will see what is tree. So tree is a collection of nodes and it will be stored in a hierarchical order. So for a normal tree, we may have n number of nodes, subtrees for the particular node. The topmost node will be called as root node and next level nodes will be called as child node. The root node will be called as parent node and subnode will be called as child node. So this is a normal tree. Where in the case of binary tree, so for a particular node, we may have 0 or 1 or 2. Maximum node will be 2. More than that, we won't have a node. Then that will be called as binary tree. So after binary tree, if we have a condition called binary search tree, so in that we have a condition that the particular node value will be less than the root node, means then it will be stored in left side, or if it is greater than root node means then it will be stored in right side. So these are the three types of tree which we are going to see in upcoming videos. So first, now we will go about traversals. So in order, pre-order, post-order traversal. So first we will have an termination details. First, capital R will be root node and LS will be called as left subtree and RS will be called as right subtree. First we will see about in-order traversal. So first we will know left traversal, that is in order, left, root and right. So for this is the flow of your traversal. So for example, we have an three value example. First example, so in that we have 10 in the left side and 20 at the root and 30 at the right. So for this, in order traversal will be 10, 20, 30. Now we will see an example of second one. So for that we have to see the leftmost node. In that leftmost node is D. So we have to traversal towards the leftmost node. So it is D. So for the particular D, we are writing D. That is the last node, leftmost node. Now it is act as a root node also. So leftmost node D. After that root. So we don't have leftmost node for that. So that will be treated as root node. Then right side of that particular node is G. Now D level will be finished. So again we are moving to the next upper level. In that particular B, your left side node was finished. Then you have to mention the root node, that is B. For that we don't have right node. So we don't have to write anything. So after B, now we are moving to the next level A. For that your left side will be over. Now we are writing A as in root. Then we are moving to the right side. After reaching to the right side, we have to check for the leftmost node because we have the rule that left, root and right. So leftmost node here is H. After H we have to mention the root node, that is E. then right, that is I. After finishing the leftmost node, now we have to see about root. Now C, then root's right is F. So now we finished left side, root and right side. So this is what the traversal answer for this particular example. Now we will see an routine. Now we will see in routine for this particular in-order traversal. So first we are going to we have a function called in-order. For that your input variable is tree. So tree will be mentioned with T. Then after entering into the loop, if after entering into the loop, we are checking whether T is not equal to null. If it is not equal to null, then we have to create then we are going to call recursively the in order. So in order, for that we are passing tree's left side and printing the element T's element, and then we are recursively calling the in order tree's right side. This will be the basic example for in order, simple example and a complex example and routine. If you understand this, then it will be easy for the upcoming traversals. Next we will see about pre-order traversal. So for this we have root, left and right subtree. So for this first example is, first we are going to specify root. So 20 is the root, then left side 10 is the left, and subtree right is 30. So this is the answer for first example. Next, second example, first we have to start with root. So in this tree, root is A, so we have to mention A, and then left side you have to traversal, then that is the root of the next level, so B have to mention. Then next D is the next level, then that also treated as in root, so D also mentioned. For the D we don't have left, so we are leaving that one, and then for right we have G. So this particular level was over. After mentioning G, then we are moving with, now root was over and left side, so left subtree was over. Now we are entering into right subtree. After we entering into right subtree, we have to start with root. So for this root is C, then we are moving to left. So for that E, then after root you have to mention left, then it is H, then root left was over, then we have to mention the right. So I. After root and left was over, then we have to move with right. So it is F. Now root was over, left was over and right was over for the root node A. So this is the answer for your second example. So for this pre-order routine, as usual, last like your previous one, we have to mention here what will be the difference is in print first we have to mention the print element. We have to mention the element print. Next pre-order left side and pre-order right side. This is the routine for the pre-order traversal. Next, post-order traversal. So for this post-order traversal, first we have to mention the left, right and root. So for this first example, left is 10, then right is 30, then root is 20. In the same way we have to mention with second example. So first is leftmost node we have is we don't have leftmost node here is D. That is act as an root node also. So after left you don't have left, then you have to go with G. Right side G, then right, then you have to mention D. So after this left was over, then B's root have to be mentioned. We don't have right side, so your left was over. Then we have to start with the A's level right. So for this you have to start with leftmost. So H, then right is I, then E. So your left was over, then right F, then root C. After that root A. So this is the answer for post order traversal. And for post order routine it will be same. First we have to recursively call left side of the post order and right side of the post order and then element. So this is the three types of traversal. Thank you. We will see in detail about the trees in upcoming videos.